Building wealth from scratch is a challenge that many people face, and the journey requires strategic thinking, resilience, and informed decision-making. Here is an overview of key principles and strategies to help you start building wealth, even if you're starting from zero. 1. Mindset matters. Adopt a growth mindset. Developing a belief that you can improve your financial situation is crucial. People with a growth mindset see opportunities and challenges and learn from failures. Stay persistent. Wealth building is a long-term game. Persistence and consistency are essential, even in the face of setbacks. 2. Financial literacy. Understand money management. Learn the basics of budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. Knowledge is power when it comes to making smart financial decisions. Keep educating yourself. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow trusted financial experts to stay informed about money and investment strategies. 3. Budgeting and saving. Live below your means. To save effectively, reduce unnecessary expenses, and focus on living within a sustainable budget. Pay yourself first. Set aside a portion of your income for savings before paying bills or spending on wants. This builds discipline and helps you accumulate funds over time. Emergency fund. Start with an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of living expenses to avoid falling into debt when unexpected expenses arise. 4. Debt management. Eliminate high-interest debt. Prioritize paying off debts with high interest rates like credit card debt. The interest can erode your savings and stall your progress. Use debt wisely. Not all debt is bad. Strategic use of low-interest debt can sometimes be leveraged for investments that yield higher returns, such as starting a business or investing in real estate. 5. Multiple income streams. Diversify income. Don't rely solely on a single job or source of income. Explore side hustles, freelance work, or investment opportunities that align with your skills and interests. Passive income. Invest in assets that generate passive income over time, such as rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or creating digital products. 6. Investing early and consistently. Start investing ASAP. Even if you start small, the power of compound interest can significantly grow your money over time. The earlier you start, the more you benefit. Diversify your investments. Spread your investments across different assets to minimize risk. Stocks, bonds, index funds, and real estate are popular choices. Retirement accounts. Take advantage of retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA, which offer tax benefits and help grow your wealth over the long term. 7. Entrepreneurship. Consider starting a business. Entrepreneurship can potentially lead to substantial wealth if successful. Identify gaps in the market or areas where you can offer value. Leverage your skills. Build a business around your existing skills or learn new ones that align with profitable industries. 8. Networking and mentorship. Surround yourself with successful people. Engage with people who are financially successful to gain insights, advice, and motivation. Find a mentor. A mentor can provide guidance, support, and knowledge that accelerates your learning curve. 9. Mindful spending. Value-based spending. Spend on what truly matters to you and avoid lifestyle inflation. This will help keep your spending in check and prioritize long-term financial goals. Cut out unnecessary expenses. Review your spending regularly and find areas where you can cut costs without compromising your quality of life. Building wealth from nothing requires dedication, education, and smart financial strategies. By maintaining a disciplined approach to saving, investing, and continuously learning, you can create a solid financial foundation and achieve long-term success. Wealth is often the result of small, consistent actions compounded over time. 10. Stay the course. Stay disciplined. Building wealth isn't quick or easy. Stick to your financial plan and adapt as needed, but don't be swayed by short-term setbacks or temptations. Review and adjust. Regularly review your financial situation and make adjustments based on changes in your income, expenses, or financial goals.